Madam Chair.
You know, the competitors may understand that we adulterate coffee.
No, blending is not adulteration.
It's basically on that.
That English, I understand it very well. Blending is not adulteration. And we are all growing Arabica. We are apparently at the same altitude with Elgon, though they are slightly higher. But the coffee we are growing, Arabica coffee, is the same. It's not about adulteration. I really want to pray that
we are saying blending it.
Madam Speaker, I want him to withdraw it. The reason I want, one, Bujisu Arabic coffee, if you mix it with Zombo, it ceases to be Ergon Pride. And this is you, if you are the one taking our coffee to brand it and make it Zombo coffee, you are making a mistake. We want to clear the state. Our coffee can never, if there are businessmen who are branding it, that's businessmen. But there will be no way Bujisu coffee can be branded with Zombo.
I want to say this. Right now, we have so many business people from the Elgon in Paida town. Should we order them to leave buying coffee? But because he doesn't want to accept, I withdraw.
Honorable members, I put a question that Clause 37 be amended as proposed. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 37 as amended.
I put a question that Clause 37 as amended stands part of the bill. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 38.
I put a question that Clause 38 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 39.
I put a question that Clause 39 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 40.
I put a question that Clause 40 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 41.
Chair, Clause 41 is amended by C, substituting the head note for the following: repeal of Section 42 of the Principal Act. D, substituting the clause for the following: Section 42 of the Principal Act is repealed. Justification A, there is no need for the ministry to be mandated to promote consumption of coffee by law. Promotion of coffee for domestic consumption is just an administrative measure and not a matter of law. B, rationalization is intended to do away with wasteful expenditure, hence rendering the provision unnecessary.
Right Honorable Chair, the committee proposes to repeal the whole of Section 42, but I think the committee intended to only repeal Section 42 2A. Section 42 provides for the authority shall promote and support domestic coffee consumption. That is one. Two, for purposes of this section, the authority shall conduct awareness on coffee consumption, conduct behavioral change communication among the public to encourage the drinking of coffee, and three, build the capacity of local roasters, coffee baristas, coffee brewers, and any other stakeholders. While I agree that it may not be the duty of the ministry to go around promoting the consumption of coffee, I do not think it is harmful because we have the people who are in that value chain and they are part of the value addition of the value chain of coffee. So there is coffee which is exported and then coffee which is consumed locally. So to remove it may not be in the best interest of completing the entire value chain. I propose, honorable members and colleagues, that we leave Section 42 within the Act, and the ministry will then use its policy directives to manage this value chain. I don't think it is harmful. I beg to submit.
Madam Chair, I want to state that we produce Ergon Pride and it should be consumed. The committee is, what I brought up this, is that now we want the ministry to be the advertising agent for people who are producing coffee locally. So I want to agree with the Attorney General that section 42 will only amend the word authority. The rest should remain.
Thank you. Honorable.
Right Honorable Chair, I concede.
So for the record,
Move amendment.
we are proposing that the clause 42 should now be amended in clause 42(1) to replace the word authority with the ministry, and in 42(2) to amend to replace the word authority with ministry. I beg to submit.
I put a question that clause 42 be amended as proposed by that clause 41 be amended as proposed by the Attorney General, and 41. It is clause 42 of the apparent act, but clause 41 of the bill. I put a question that clause 42 be amended as proposed by the 41 be amended as proposed by the by Attorney General. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 41 as amended.
I put a question that clause 41 as amended stands part of the bill. Those in favor say aye, to the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 42.
Clause 42. I put a question that clause 42 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 43.
I put a question that clause 43 stands part of the bill.
Clause 43 is talking about amending section 44. Levy on coffee export. Madam Chair, there's no way a minister can levy. You understand? Yeah, because here you see there are some way you are substituting that they are fitting in. But here you cannot say the minister shall levy a charge. No. I think here they could, to be safe, the ministry shall levy a charge, not the minister.
Minister.
You see? Because the ministry has a PS.
Minister.
Right, Honorable Chair and Honorable colleagues. Many of these levies and things that have the ability to create a tax are normally signed off by the minister because it's an executive function.
Yes.
So if you say the ministry, then that means anyone in the ministry could do that. Secondly, it is normally done by statutory instrument, and you'll find a great difficulty having a PS or a commissioner signing a statutory instrument. I beg to propose, honorable colleagues, that we do leave it with the minister to propose and handle that. Thank you.
Thank you. I put a question that clause 44 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say aye, to the contrary. The ayes have it. I put a question that clause 43 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 44. Clause 45.
I put a question that clause 45 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 46.
I put a question that clause 46 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 47.
I put a question that clause 47 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say aye, to the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 48.
I put a question that clause 48 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 49.
I put a question that clause 49 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 50.
I put a question that clause 50 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say on the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 51.
I put a question that clause 51 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it.
52.
I put a question that clause 52 stands part of the bill.
Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I am on 52. We're trying to amend. No, we're talking of section 53 of the law. Madam Chair, I wanted to bring the notice to my colleague from Zombo that under section 53(2)H, it says adulterated coffee, that one. Or is in possession of adulterated coffee, that one. Including mixing coffee of different types, or mixing coffee with non-coffee materials, or whatever types. So, Madam Chair, I wanted to put an also correct that if there are people in Zombo who are mixing coffee from other areas, they are committing a crime. You better report them immediately to police.
Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Honorable members, I put a question that stands part of the bill. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 53.
I put a question that clause 53 stands part of the bill. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it.
Clause 54.
I put a question that clause 54 stands part of the bill. Buvuma.
54 is talking about regulations.
Sir. Right Honorable Chair, clause 54, I propose to amend section 56 of the Principal Act, subsection 1, by inserting the following. After the word minister, the following. The minister shall, with approval of Parliament, make resolutions, blah, blah, justifications to ensure okay, right Honorable Chair, after the word minister shall with approval of Parliament make regulations, justification to ensure that Parliament examines and approves any regulations made under this Act.
Madam Speaker, Parliament makes laws and you task the executive to implement them and report to Parliament on the implementation progress. Requiring the regulations, I can be required to lay them on table. That's in order, and that practice is well known. So I do not support the amendment, Madam Chair and colleagues.
Honorable Minister, the member is saying